Christmas! Well, Merry Christmas, Tyler! And how are things in Farmersville? It is so good to see you. Well, as you know, every year, Santa must check his naughty or nice list. I must check it twice to see who has been naughty and who has been nice. And as I'm looking through my list this year, I saw your name. And guess what, Tyler? You're on the good list! You've been nice! Ho, 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 ho! Isn't that wonderful? Ho, 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 ho! I just want to say, Tyler, that I am so happy that you're a good video game player. And that you're good at reading. And what makes Santa very happy is that you do your homework every day without complaining. That is wonderful. And you're also such a good helper in the kitchen. Fantastic, Tyler. And I happen to know that you're really great at finding your secret elf, Fred. Let me tell you, Fred loves that. But Tyler, I want to make sure that you stay on the nice list. So there are a few things I would like you to do, okay? I want you to listen to Mommy a little better. That's very important. Oh, and make sure you clean your room. And this is also very important. I want you to be nice to your dog, Daisy, and to Papa, Danny. If you could do those things, that would be wonderful, and you'll stay on the nice list. Well, Tyler, I gotta go and help the elves build all the toys for Christmas. I can't wait to come to your house on Christmas Eve. So Merry Christmas to you, Tyler. Merry Christmas!